Busted, brother versus brother, no rules.
Doesn't it feel like such a magical day? I feel really good. I'll tackle you in any space.
I know which space I want to do next because I think it's a space I actually have an advantage over you with.
How? Why?
The ADU.
Additional dwelling unit. Yeah.
We're both converting the garages, and they are almost identical in size.
So you think because they're almost identical that you have the advantage?
Because I know something you don't know.
I'm not going to give away what I have planned for my ADU, but let's just say it's going to be epic. Huge. In fact, let's just say I get a little giddy when I think about it.
ADU spaces, what do we figure we need? We probably need 3 weeks to get through it.
Yeah. And you know what I think? We need to have judges who really know what you need to do for the ultimate guest space.
We could work with someone like Breegan, Jane, who we've worked with before.
Breegan is one of California's top designers. If anyone knows how to maximize incredible designs in small spaces, it's her.
Our other judge that I think we should bring in with Breegan, Trixie Mattel.
Trixie is the ideal judge for our ADUs because on her show, Trixie Motel, she just overhauled a whole slew of rooms into dreamy destinations. She's also never afraid to tell it like it is.
And we just want to hang with Trixie.
And we just want to hang with Trixie.
Who doesn't want to hang with
Yeah.
Trixie?
And JD, I'm really busy for the next 3 weeks, so if you can just help out, and I'll see you guys in 3 weeks.
I don't know how I keep getting stuck working for Drew. I have plans for you with this one to ensure that Drew struggles. Deal.
Deal.
This additional dwelling unit is going to be so important. This is where my whole airport strategy comes together because I know there are a lot of flight crews that live in this area and they like to rent out their garage, their guest space, their extra bedrooms to other flight crew members. My garage is 400 square feet, and because it's separated from the main house, it's the perfect structure to turn into a guest or rental suite. We have a good footprint. This is gonna be pretty simple for us because there's not a lot for us to take out.
It's good.
I gave myself $500,000 to renovate this house near the ocean, and I've already spent more than half of that on the living room, kitchen, and main bedroom suite challenges, so I need to spend wisely now. Since my property is so close to the water, I really want to bring that beach feeling to my ADU. I know when this is done, this is gonna add a ton of value. And this is exactly what I want to do. I'll begin the transformation from the garage to ADU by installing collapsible glass walls to infuse the space with an indoor-outdoor feel. I'll add a relaxing breakfast nook with lots of natural light, and around the corner, I'll create a stylish bathroom that carries the modern cottage theme from the main house. A full kitchen with light sand custom cabinetry, marble counters, a hidden induction cooktop, and a flush ceiling vent will look luxe while still saving a lot of space. In the living room, I'll create a relaxing seating area and furnish it with that California coast feel. And finally, my mind-blowing piece de resistance. With the push of a button, a cutting-edge hidden bed will descend from the ceiling and turn the living room into an amazing bedroom. This teched-out retreat by the ocean will finally bring me a much-needed win and add value when I sell. It's gonna be a little while before we get the tech in here, but before we do that, we have to get the nasty out.
All right, you scratch my floors.
I mean, I'm working harder than you're working over there. Woo! Nice. Oh, this is the dynamic duo that is meant to be together.
Yeah.
Johnathan will be feeling rough. He doesn't like losing, especially having this many in a row. We need to keep that winning vibe going. The judges are loving Team Drew, and this is going to be no different. Last challenge, I turned my existing ADU into a massive main bedroom suite. So for this one, I'm going to convert the rundown 350 square foot garage into the ultimate additional dwelling unit.
All right, should we open this thing up, see what we got?
Be ready to be amazed.
Okay, come on.
What the heck is going on with this thing? I'll kick it from the back. All right, give it a pull.
Ready?
Yeah, 3, 2,
3.
1.
Again.
What the heck? I have no idea.
Looks like it's stuck. It's sticking here.
This might get messy. You may want to, I can already picture it. It's going to be sweet.
This fixer-upper needs a lot of work, so I gave myself $600,000 for the renovation. I spent way more than I planned on in the living room, kitchen, and main bedroom suite challenges, but the silver lining is I won all 3. Now the pressure's on for me to save some money so it doesn't eat into my overall profit.
Okay, now I catch my breath. This is the idea.
I'll open up the ceiling and install faux wood beams to add height and character. Then I'll install a sleek glass sliding door to brighten up the whole space. This garage is small, but I'll maximize it with a full kitchen with white custom cabinetry to complement a Tuscan-inspired tiled backsplash and matching vent hood. Down the hall, a full laundry and spa-like bathroom will make this the perfect in-law retreat. Over in the main area, I'll create a warm, inviting lounge with neutral-colored custom shelving and lots of seating. Then when it's time to call it a day, a hidden bed will pop out and turn this space into a bedroom. When I'm done, this ADU will be irresistible to multi-generational families clamoring to buy in this neighborhood.
With the slab, it looks pretty nasty.
Yeah, I mean, we're gonna have to cut concrete here anyways to carry the new door that you want to put in here.
Why don't we clean up the mess and then we can dig out that channel?
Yeah, beautiful.
All right.
Hey, is that the garage door opener?
Wait, what?
Just kidding.
Oh. No, this is the garage door opener. That's right.
Chris needs to figure out what to do with this nasty concrete floor, but in the meantime, I can jump right into digging a trench for the new sliding door. Plus, I get to use a big saw, so I'm happy.
After a few delays early on, Team Johnathan is making up for lost time. I'm bringing the modern cottage look from the main house to my ADU bathroom with a textured marble tile pattern, and in the kitchen, we're installing custom sand-colored cabinetry to make it feel bright and fresh. I've packed a lot into this guest suite to evoke a beachside lifestyle. It ties this ADU into the neighborhood perfectly.
I can't believe what a transformation 3 weeks has made to my new ADU. Breeze is picking out furniture to add more earthy textures to the room that will complement the faux beams. 1 down, 2 more to go. Meanwhile, I'm adding a ton of custom storage to the living area to make this a fully independent living space. In the kitchen, hand-glazed terracotta tiles in the backsplash and a big vent hood are creating a rustic look that really makes a statement. I did a tiled hood in the main house kitchen, which the judges loved, and it helped me win that challenge. So I'm hoping that the vent hood look smiles on me again.
I feel the 4 of us, we don't walk, we strut.
We
slow motion
totally
walk.
strut.
Yeah, this is it.
We got it.
You gotta strut before you judge, right?
I think it's a requirement. I'm just excited because I really love that I don't know who's done whose house.
You're going to be judging the ADUs. You can judge it on anything you want. What is it you're looking for?
I like little secret places where I can tell that somebody did something smart and saved a little money.
Nice.
I'm really into detail right now. Like, I want to see where you guys have pulled out your unique talents.
If you feel ready,
I'm ready.
the Oceanside house is just down here on the left. So if you guys want to head there now, get your judging hats on.
Are you ready? Oh. Okay. You remember these before pictures, right?
Yes, this filthy garage is no longer filthy or a garage.
It is not. How do you feel about the color tone in here?
I could do with a little more, just like, however, there is textures.
Right? In a wooden surfboard.
Yeah, that's really cool. But this is like, also just like how to use a really tiny space. I mean, a person could live here.
We've got 2 separate entrances, which I think changes everything. Seating area, dining area, eat-in kitchen, full kitchen in here.
Yeah. If you were staying here, you could cook a meal for the people who are putting you up.
Oh.
You know what I mean? You could say, come to my house.
You're a much nicer guest than I am. Wait, they are totally baiting us.
Okay, what is that?
This is my favorite place in the world.
Okay.
This is Ibiza, Spain. They're not playing fair. I think your profession's over there. We're gonna need you to get on the decks, please.
Oh my God.
Look at that.
Well, the taste level just skyrocketed.
Didn't it?
They have my record here. This is my motel. Look at that. I mean, I think most people are probably not susceptible to flattery, but me.
This will be an interesting judging moment. Okay, this is very interesting. I have some questions about this.
Is this a bed?
This could definitely fit a mattress.
It's like, gosh, I'm tired. I wish I had a bed right now.
What? This is like technology in home taken to the next level.
Okay, that is so cool.
All from the touch of a button.
I want to lay on it, and then the way I exit the room is it goes back up. This is really amazing. I mean, snaps for the floating bed. That is
Snaps?
really, really cool.
I want to know what's hiding in this hallway. Knock, knock. Okay. Bathrooms are my favorite. And the tile here, I mean, even though it's a white, for a white square, that is the most interesting white square I've seen.
I will give you that for sure. I think they did a good job.
I hope we get more bribes.
Well, I'm hoping for cash at this point. I mean,
Cash, candy, I'll take it all.
I'll take a sedan. Oh,
Okay.
I mean, from what it was,
Oh, a huge difference. It's got cabin vibes.
organic.
Rustic, sort of earthy tones.
This is nice.
I like the golden neutrals.
Yes, this is like selling me on neutrals. I think it's because these are like wood textures, grassy textures, fur textures. Just feels kind of alive. Wow. I love the beams.
I mean, that's a nice detail that you don't normally see in like ADU units.
Is that the bed?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Just take the lever,
Oh my
pull
God.
down,
Oh, wow.
right?
Whoa.
Full bed.
Okay. That's, wow. I mean, this is beautiful.
Done and set up.
Wow.
I do like the artwork in here.
Yeah, I mean, I like that because it's this muted, calm thing.
And I mean, it's literally a hillside.
Yeah.
It's gotta be from here, because these little wildflowers are so California.
It's definitely from here. Look, you can see me if you look right here.
Oh yeah, that's you?
There I am in Los
Put
Angeles.
some clothes on.
Let's move into the kitchen.
This feels like a real kitchen.
Wow. This is like a big, fancy, tiled custom hood. I mean, that's pretty amazing.
And they've got a nice full bath.
Oh, wow.
Yes, and laundry.
Whoa, okay.
We've got a lot to discuss. The winner of the ADU challenge is...
Oceanside.
Really?
Really? We got it
Finally, you have
wrong.
no idea how important this was. I have lost 3 challenges in a row. This is the first one that I have won. You guys
Hold
are
on.
officially on my love list for life.
I had laundry. Did you see the amount of storage I had?
He
It's
had a
beautiful.
bed fly down from the ceiling.
Space bed.
This sucks.
Embarrassing.
Thanks. You took my winning streak away from me.
Yeah.